Namaskaram and welcome to Pashanath Finance News. This week, the global startup ecosystem is buzzing with record-breaking funding rounds, new unicorns, and landmark AI and deep tech initiatives. From the United States to Asia, Europe to Africa, and the Middle East, investors are betting big on physical world AI, climate tech, and next-generation infrastructure. Let's take you on a global tour of startups making headlines for the week of January 19 to 25, 2026. In the United States, investors are placing enormous bets on physical world AI startups. Zipline, the drone delivery pioneer, raised $600 million at a $7.6 billion valuation, expanding its home delivery platform across North America. Humans and the human-centric AI lab founded by OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google alumni closed a $480 million seed round, now valued at $4.48 billion. Tulip, the frontline operations platform, secured $120 million in Series D funding led by Mitsubishi Electric, reaching a $1.3 billion valuation. ClickHouse, the real-time AI database, raised $400 million, pushing its valuation to $15 billion. In strategic acquisitions, Capital One acquired Brex for $5.15 billion, marking a major fintech exit. Meanwhile, Procore acquired Japan's DataGrid, integrating generative AI into construction management. Early-stage AI is also attracting attention. Recursive, led by Richard Socher, is reportedly raising a round at a $4 billion valuation to build autonomous, self-improving AI agents. Regulatory updates include California's AI Safety Act 2.0 and ongoing FTC scrutiny of Meta's acquisition of Manus. Across Europe, funding and unicorn milestones are keeping investors engaged. Pennylane, the French fintech unicorn, raised €175 million at a €3.6 billion valuation, expanding its B2B accounting platform. AMI Labs, launched by AI pioneer Yann LeCun in Paris, is reportedly seeking funding at a $3.5 billion valuation. Revolut scrapped its US bank acquisition plans to focus on a standalone license, betting on light-touch US regulation. Strategic AI moves. NVIDIA is reportedly backing LeCun's new startup in an oversubscribed round exceeding €500 million. In Japan, deep tech, space, and AI are in the spotlight. Interstellar Technologies raised 20.1 billion yen, $93.3 million, to accelerate its small satellite launch rocket Zero. Health tech firm Contria raised $5.99 million in Series A funding. Latera, developing aseptic artificial soil, secured 50 million yen from Kyoto ICAP. DataGrid was acquired by US construction tech firm Procore, while Crystal.farm, focused on sustainable agriculture, closed a seed round. AI adoption is growing. Ecumenopolis partnered with the Aiken Foundation to integrate AI into English education. MedTech startups in Osaka reported progress on PFAS chemical breakdown and non-invasive glucose sensors. The government-backed AI initiative is moving fast, with a 3 trillion yen, $19 billion public-private project and new programs to support foreign workers in the tech ecosystem. Down under, Australia celebrated its first space unicorn. Gilmour Space raised $217 million with support from the National Reconstruction Fund and Hostplus, achieving a valuation above $1 billion. Airwallex faces an external regulatory audit over AML compliance. DamSecure raised $6.1 million and Spec Toolbox secured $3 million for construction engineering solutions. In New Zealand, legal tech firm Evo raised $81 million, while Mars Bioimaging closed $15 million to expand its portable stroke and bone detection technology. Auckland Startup Week highlighted the intersection of indigenous Maori culture and tech innovation. South Korea is leading with AI regulation and investment. The AI Basic Act came into effect on January 22, 2026, mandating human oversight in high-impact sectors and labeling of generative AI outputs. Startups raised capital, including Boosters, $25.4 million Series C, and Anyai, $4 million seed. The government launched a 4.4 trillion Ranyor, $3.3 billion fund of funds with 1.3 trillion Ranyor for next generation unicorns and quadrupled funding for second-time founders. Strategic moves. Paynori was acquired by Airvolex, while Furiosa AI prepares a pre-IPO round for 2027. China's startup ecosystem saw massive government-led investment. Moonshot AI closed a massive funding round, while Birain Technology raised 5.58 billion Hong dollars in its Hong Kong IPO. Minimax, backed by MiHoYo, debuted at $11.5 billion valuation. Deep tech funding highlights include SpaceMit, $86.1 million, Cascole Datum, $14 million, and undisclosed Series C rounds for SpinQ and Races. The Meta Manus investigation continues, scrutinizing cross-border AI acquisitions. National M&A and venture guidance funds totaling 100 billion yuan, $14.3 billion, aim to boost AI, semiconductors, and aerospace startups. In the Middle East, AI and deep tech investments are accelerating. Saudi Grove raised $5 million to improve agricultural logistics. Breeze AI raised $1.3 million for voice AI tools, and Kaust spinouts have now collectively raised $1 billion. Saudi Arabia launched a specialized AI venture fund targeting 25 startups over 3 years. LEAP 2026 preparations are underway, expecting 200,000 attendees and 600 plus startups. In Qatar, Startup Qatar offers seed funding up to $500,000 and scale-up support up to $5 million, while national AI initiatives focus on responsible deployment. The country ranks 6th in the Middle East for startup performance. Africa is seeing a shift toward climate tech and cross-border fintech. Sun Culture, Kenya, raised $65 million, expanding solar irrigation in Ethiopia and Uganda. Lulalend, South Africa, secured $40 million to bridge SME credit gaps. Breeze AI expanded into Arabic-speaking markets with a $1.3 million raise. Strategic moves include the Wasoko and Max AB merger and Gozem's logistics acquisition. Regulatory updates. Nigeria launched a $10 million AI dev fund, and South Africa is advancing the Startup Act to simplify IP and tax incentives. India's startup scene continues its strong growth trajectory. Juspay became the first unicorn of 2026, raising $50 million, valued at $1.2 billion. Other notable rounds include Emergent, $70 million, Asset Plus, $21 million, Unbox Robotics, $28 million, and Dhoon Wellness, $4 million. IPO activity includes Amagi's market debut and Shadowfax's oversubscribed IPO. PhonePe received SEBI approval for its upcoming listing. Government initiatives. India unveiled a techno-legal AI governance framework, scrapped preconditions for deep tech startup support, and hosted a startup compliance clinic for operational ease. From AI labs to space unicorns, fintech to climate tech, and government-backed mega funds to regulatory breakthroughs, the week of January 19 to 25 has shown that global startups are shaping the future at an unprecedented pace. Stay tuned to Pashanath Finance News for continuing updates on funding, unicorns, and the innovations driving the global economy.